Hey there, so here is my love relationship counter app, and to install widget you need to go to the gear icon in top left, and then you need to upgrade to my love pro, which is like $3.99, but it's one-time purchase. Yeah, it's not monthly recurring payment, one-time purchase, and after that you will be able to install the widget. So if you just tap and hold, then you can just and then install my love widget, and then it will just display something like that. You can see different sizes. There is some typo here, by the way, there is a bug, but anyhow, you can see, for example, like this. But yeah, it kind of looks nice, but it's not available in the free version. So there you have it. It says the widget has to be unlocked by the in-app purchase My Love Pro. So that's the idea. Yeah, so something like that. Hope that's helpful.